Welcome everyone. I've been testing crypto projects for a few years at this point, and honestly, I've seen enough to fill a whole separate channel just on that alone. And the last few months I've been specifically going deep on AI trading technology. Automated bots, algorithmic trading, AI-driven token management, all of it. And today I want to actually show you how it works in practice, walk you through it live on screen, and then share a few real things from my own experience about how to stay safe and not hand tokens to a scam project. All right, so let me actually show you what proper automated trading technology is supposed to look like when it's set up correctly. Like, what does a legitimate workflow actually look like step by step? First thing I'm doing is pulling up the platform here and pressing Launch Bot. Okay, so right away it's asking me to pick a trading pair. And before you wonder why the coin list is this long, it's because this bot is running across 20 exchanges at the same time, which is literally why the options are this wide. I'm going with Bitcoin today, most familiar, easiest to track for a walkthrough. Okay, I'm then flipping over to live mode, and now it asks my receiving address. So I'm switching to my wallet, copying it, hopping back to the platform, and pasting it here. Good, so now capital allocation. This is just how much I'm putting to work this session, and I'm going with, right around there, that works. And right below that is risk level, and this one actually matters, so I want to spend 1 second on it. This slider is the bot's aggression setting. Like, I'm literally drawing a line and telling it this far and no further when it comes to risky trades. I'm setting mine somewhere here, active enough to actually generate something, but not so aggressive. And then last thing on the setup is arbitrage strategy, which is just the AI's operating methodology for the session, which specific approach it's going to use to find and close price gaps across all those exchanges. Okay, I'm looking at the whole configuration here one last time. Yeah, nothing I want to change. Let's run it. So deposit screen is up now, and here's something actually useful to know. I'm not locked into any specific token to deposit. I can use whatever makes the most sense for me right now. The platform will handle the conversion into Bitcoin on their end before the bot even starts touching anything, which is just one less step to worry about. Okay, that's gone through. Tapping I have sent, and okay, it's running. Trade's going, win rate climbing, average spread tracking, there's a chart pulling it all together in real time, clean layout, easy to read. And now it's just, we let it do its thing for a few minutes. Okay, so we're back, pressing stop and withdraw right now. Good, so this screen is basically the full debrief. Total runtime, trades that completed, which strategy was active throughout, the win rate, and the final profit number with a platform fee already subtracted from it. Okay, hitting withdraw, just giving that a few minutes to actually hit my balance, so I'm gonna use that window to say something I think is actually worth hearing. I've been putting platforms through their paces in this space for years, and I want to be clear about what that actually means, because it's not just using stuff and seeing what happens. It means going in with a deliberate process, tracking behavior over time, and walking into a lot of scam projects along the way. And the part that still gets me is where these things are hiding, because it's not some dark corner of the internet. It's YouTube search results, Google, crypto news sites with years of content behind them. So, from actual experience of getting caught out, here are two things I check now before anything else. First is the site design. Scam platforms almost always have something subtly wrong with how they look. Not broken, just slightly misaligned. Fonts that don't quite match across pages, sections that feel templated, images with that generic stock photo quality that doesn't fit the context. It holds up for a quick scroll and then starts falling apart the moment you actually look. And the second thing, and this one I trust more, is the interface itself. Real platforms are built for long-term users, so the UX is genuinely thought through. Scam platforms aren't built for long-term anything, so the interface ends up either weirdly overcomplicated or weirdly stripped back, like someone built just enough to make it look real without making it actually work. And when both of those signals are showing up in the same place simultaneously, I'm already closing the tab.
So to wrap this up with something concrete, here's exactly where I'm at with what I just showed you. I've been testing this platform for a few weeks now, over 19 sessions total, tested across pretty much the full range of supported tokens, deliberately changed up my settings and allocation each time to see if anything breaks under different conditions, and nothing has broken. Every withdrawal has cleared, every session has tracked the way it should, not a single thing has come up that made me hesitate. And from someone who just walked you through exactly how bad this space can get, a clean run like that over a real testing period means a lot. So if you want to go find out for yourself, links in the description. Go in careful, test small first, see how it treats you. And thanks for watching. See ya.